Hello everyone, this is Advocate Pratiksha Pandey and today we will discuss on the topic living relationship. The live-in relationship is a living agreement in which an unmarried couple live together in a long-term relationship that resembles a marriage. In marriage, just like a same in live-in relationship, a heterosexual couple live together. In everyday life, it is cohabitation, sometimes called consensual union or de facto marriage. Now, I will explain what is consensual union. It is basically a form of cohabitation by a man and a woman who live together as a married, but whose relationship is not formally ratified by the dominant laws. Now, I would explain de facto marriage. It is a term used for certain couple who live together without being legally married. In de facto marriage, a person is eligible for the same rights as legally married persons are and refers to unmarried heterosexual couple live together in an intimate relationship. Cohabitation is defined as a situation in which opposite sex couple live together outside the bond of marriage. There is nothing like a bond of marriage which they have to follow. In some jurisdiction, cohabitation is viewed as a common law marriage, either for a specified period or after the birth of a child. Live-in relationship is neither recognized by the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 nor by the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 nor by the Indian Succession Act 1925. However, the expression relationship in the nature of marriage, which is included within the definition of domestic relationship, has been defined in the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 as follows. Now we will discuss the definition of aggrieved person. It is defined in section 2 clause A, means who is or has been in a domestic relationship with the respondent and who alleges to have been subjected to any of domestic violence by the respondent. Section 2F defines domestic relationship. It says the relationship between two persons who live or have at any point of time lived together in a shared household where they are related by consanguinity, marriage, or through relationship in the nature of marriage, adoption, or are family members living together as a joint family. Thank you.